To show cleanup recommendations for temporary files in Windows 11 Home, right-click on empty area on the desktop, and then select Personalize. Next, click or tap System, and then select Storage, and then select Cleanup Recommendations, tap Temporary Files, and then you can see cleanup recommendation in here. Sample download, and then tap Clean Up to clean up. Clean up selection, the selected files and the data will be permanently deleted. Tap Continue if you sure. Please wait until cleanup process complete. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.